I believe we are on track. We might have delayed by a day or two, but I think we are on track. And whatever commitments have been given by the Honorable Chief Minister, we will ensure that they are delivered to the authorities.
The Exposition Commissioner, we have seen taking review meeting time and again, personally reviewing everything, inspecting everything. So he must have updated you about everything.
That is why I'm saying I believe everything is on track. We are almost there.
Almost there. Anything from the church side with this said, Baba, this has to still is yet to be done or not? From the church side.
I'm not in a position to comment as far as the church side is concerned. But I can only tell you that during the review meeting, Father Henry Forthcoming was happy, he had no complaints, and therefore I believe they are satisfied with what is happening.
And how about the infrastructure? Because you have taken department-wise everybody today again.
I think everything is in place. By and large, everything is in place. Should you have any suggestion? You have been traveling around. Tell me what you have not seen.
Most of the things.
Like what?
Most of the things that have been done.
No, you've seen what has been done. What has not been done is my question.
Only I think so. The village which was remaining.
What is the problem with the village?
It's still going on, the work.
So that is why I said I think 99% of the village work is complete. Just about one here and there, some small things are pending.
What about the security concerns?
Security?
As far as security, traffic and all.
We just had a meeting with them. They are talking in terms of deploying over 1,000 people every day.
Every day. As far as security is concerned.
Security, traffic. We'll be having 1,000 people of Goa police here every day.
So,
he has taken a review. Although he was not keeping well, he has come today, taken a review of all the preparations, and I think he is satisfied with whatever works, the inputs what we have received from the church, and the commitment given by our Honorable Chief Minister is being met. And as I mentioned to you earlier as well, a few road works which were left have already been initiated, and I'm confident that within the next 2 days, especially I'm talking about the Ribandar Old Goa Road, work has already started in right earnest, and I think we should be able to complete it by tomorrow night or early 20th.
there have been demands from locals from Diwar and as far as ferries and ferries, especially EV buses. Anything on that?
Yes, we have already taken it up with the captain of ports, and they have assured us that extra ferries would be pressed into service.
What about that scheme this for people from Margaon and especially EV buses, Kadamba buses, which I had spoken about earlier?
You will find as dedicated buses from Margaon, Vasco, Mapsa, Banjip, of course. These buses are in place.
So how many buses like this will be put up?
I think total, it becomes a little difficult for me to give you the exact breakup. But if I remember correctly, we are talking about 25% dedicated as a shuttle service.
What about the...
Besides that, you will be having an internal shuttle service.
Okay.
Like you see these buses that are coming from Marga, for example, they'll stop on the way. So at a particular stop, from there we will have another shuttle service that will bring them inside.
You have also started with this buggy system. Could you highlight on this?
Buggy system are basically meant for
physical.
some physical. For physical, we have also arranged rickshaws. So we've tried to alleviate their sufferings, if I may say, to whatever possible can be done. Pilgrim places have been arranged.
How many people could be accommodated in these places which is available?
I think we are talking of some 300-400
Per day?
I can't say per day, but accommodation of around 300-400 people, including in the church premises.